Before we get into today's video, I just want to say that I currently have a giveaway going on for 10 million SHIB tokens. All you have to do is go follow my Twitter and retweet this tweet right here. And you have a chance to win 10 million SHIB tokens. So take care everyone and good luck and enjoy the video. Hello ladies and gentlemen, this boy Sam from our trading here, and today, wow, that's all I have to say, wow. I did not see this coming, and I will happily say I did not see this coming. I thought that this may happen tomorrow, but it's looking like it could be today, which is very, very interesting. Now, we see that we are currently testing that resistance level. We're trying to break out of it, and we have slightly broken out of it, but we haven't quite hit that full breakout quite yet. But, you know, that's okay. We're testing it, which is fantastic, fantastic stuff. It's showing that we are trying to break out of this bearish flag, and hopefully we can see some light at the end of the tunnel and see some bullish action today, which is a very, very positive sign, especially since crypto is still fairly down. You know, like the market is still pretty dead, but Shiba Inu is currently thriving, which is fantastic to see. Now, one of the catalysts as to why this could be absolutely thriving is the recent news of Kanga Exchange welcoming SHIB onto its platform. And Kanga is another sort of, exchange. So, you know, it's another place where you can buy and sell coins. So, you know, the fact that SHIB is now on another exchange, it's only going to boost the profile of SHIB, and you know, the SHIB army is going to get more behind it on more platforms, and we can get new retail investors involved within this security. So this is fantastic news. Any listing like this is going to be a positive catalyst for where we are going, what we're going to see in the future, really. And especially when you see the likes of Coinbase, which, as we know, is an absolutely massive brokerage platform for crypto, and also as well eToro, which is a massive European, well, mainly European, like exchange for crypto and stocks. It's absolutely fantastic news that SHIB is now getting the spotlight it deserves, and the only reason it's getting the spotlight it deserves is from you. Honestly, the SHIB army is so strong that people have to take notice of what is going on, and you know, to actually have SHIB in their scope, because they can see that where this is at, and they can see the profit that could potentially made from this as well. So, you know, big ups to the SHIB army. Honestly, this is absolutely fantastic news, and you know, there is going to be also some new developments regarding ShibaSwap, which is very, very interesting, but we'll get onto that very shortly. But I just wanted to say congratulations, SHIB army. Kanga Exchange is now part of the SHIB sort of, I don't know what to say it. I mean, I guess the SHIB sort of blockchain in a sense, but you know, it's very, very interesting stuff. And yeah, we'll now move on and see what the ShibaSwap thing could potentially be. So, very, very interestingly enough, Kai Green, who is a very, very advanced crypto sort of investor, he's well known within the scene. You can see he's got the tick next to his name. So he is a verified user on Twitter, and he has a lot of followers on Twitter, and I'm assuming other platforms as well. He said that there is a big announcement tomorrow with ShibaSwap, which could be absolutely massive. And apparently, people have been speculating that Grapefruit might be added to the ShibaSwap exchange, which again, adding to the portfolio of ShibaSwap and adding more, you know, liquidity to that exchange, which is only going to increase the price of the likes of Shiba Inu and all the other tokens that are involved within that exchange, which is absolutely fantastic news. And it could see some very, very positive light coming into the future. And it could also raise the price of SHIB and provide another catalyst for SHIB's price action to go up, which honestly, we have so many catalysts for SHIB at the moment. It's absolutely unreal. There is so much PR going on and so much news happening all at the same time. It's difficult to keep track of it, but I am here to try and bring everything SHIB to all of you lot. And you know, this is fun stuff, man. Like, I'm really stoked about this coin, honestly. Like, there's so much hype around it, and there's so much like sort of, you know, there's just a massive community around it that all want to have this amazing coin that could be worth something. It could be worth something massive in the future, honestly. Like, say SHIB hit a cent, the profits on that would be absolutely unreal. People would be making bank, like loads of millionaires will be made just overnight like that. So, you know, definitely want to keep track of. And yeah, we are now going to move on to the graphical analysis of where I think SHIB is going to go. I know I did one earlier, but things have sort of changed over the last couple hours. But that's the volatility of the crypto market. It's absolutely crazy. Like, SHIB's just absolutely spiked up. So, you know, it's going to be interesting to see what happens. That's what I'm trying to say. Okay. Now, this is something that I've talked about in a previous video, but this is very, very important and could raise the price of SHIB massively, right? So, the SHIB market has been delayed on Coinbase, and this was posted on the 16th of June. Now, the interesting thing about this is that there was a previous token that had technical issues surrounding the Coinbase listing, and that got sort of it got resolved within 3 weeks. It's currently almost a month now for SHIB. So I would have thought, based on that timescale of that previous token, that we should be seeing a Coinbase listing at any given moment, which would be absolutely fantastic for the price action. I'll provide a catalyst to definitely get above this level here. You're going to see a lot of buying power if Coinbase gets involved as well, because that opens up a completely new market, a completely new buying power to invest within Shiba Inu, which is absolutely fantastic. The more buying pressure, the better. You know, we need to get more coins burned. We need to burn that supply. And the only way to burn that supply is to get new buyers in. So yes, everything is looking up for SHIB at the moment, and I am here for it. And I'm going to be live streaming later on today, so be sure to join in. And, you know, I'm here to vibe out with all of you and, you know, get to know you all new. It's a completely new community for me, so I hope you all embrace me. Please, I'm a friendly guy. But anyway, thank you all for watching. This B-Boy Sam from our train. See you next video on the channel. Take care, everyone.